Hello students, in the previous class we have gone through the properties of inverse trigonometrical function. Further I am proceeding with the different types of the pattern of the questions. So already I have indicated you the types like range related questions and that simplest form, proof related problem and conversion with the one to other, and other is to solve for x. But today I am taking the type 1, type number 1, that is a range related questions, range related questions, range related questions. As already we have gone through the different range of the cos inverse, sin inverse, and tan inverse, and cot inverse, and all. So we'll use that. We should stick in that range. We should not move beyond them. When we'll work with the questions, we should stick on that. So first example I'm putting for this one. This is the first. And suppose somebody is asking you, find the principal value for cos inverse minus half. How we'll go for? What we'll do? Let cos inverse minus half is equal to y. This implies cos y is equal to minus half. This minus half can be written as minus cos pi by 3 because cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. This implies cos y is equal to minus cos pi by 3. Right now we cannot compare because negative sign is there. What we'll do? Cos y is equal to cos, we can write down cos pi minus pi by 3. Either minus cos pi by 3 or cos. The second coordinate cos is negative. So we are writing like this. And now this implies cos y is equal to cos 2 pi by 3. Comparing both sides, it will be y is equal to 2 pi by 3. Therefore, this is why, since 2 pi by 3 belongs to 0 to pi, so this is the permissible answer, and we can do like this. So this is the permissible answer, and the answer will be principal value for cos inverse minus 1 is 2 pi by 3. In the same manner, we can move with another example. What I want to indicate you, what I want to explain you, whenever you proceed with the questions related to with the inverse trigonometrical function, you should try to stick in the house. As all of you are very much true, the mathematics is also very much true with the nowadays philosophy. Stick in your house, don't move outside the house. In mathematics also, inverse trigonometrical, if you are sticking in the house, you will be safe and your answer will be correct. Suppose I am writing, this is evaluate uh, cos inverse of cos 7 pi by 6. If somebody is writing like this, 7 pi by 6, how will go for? Is this 7? How will answer it? Cos inverse cos 7 pi by 6 will not equal to 7 pi by 6. Why so? Because 7 pi by 6 does not belongs to 0 to pi, as the cos inverse is having range from 0 to pi. Earlier we have explained. Now what we'll do? We'll change the pattern by complementary. Cos in the fourth quadrant, cos is positive. So either we can write on this one, or we can write on 2 pi minus 5 pi by 6. So the things will be same, but it will be altered, and I'm writing this 7 pi by 6. What I am writing 7 pi by 6, but I am altering it in the ending. After the philosophy of supplementary, it will be cos 5 pi by 6. What exactly I am looking out? Now 5 pi by 6 will be the answer, since 5 pi by 6 belongs to 0 to pi. What exactly I am discussing every time, you should stick on your house, don't move stick behind your house. For supporting all these category of the questions, I am going to explain a few more questions. but I will also put down few questions, one of the exercises in the different books, or you should must go through that. You should must go through, try to do that. You should try to. Further, I am moving with another example number third. Suppose this is sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3 coming. Is the 2 pi by 3 is the answer? Evaluate is like that. Evaluate. Is this the answer? 2 pi by 3? No. 2 pi by 3 not the answer, because 2 pi by 3 does not belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. As the sine is having range from where to where? Minus pi. What will do? We will write like this: sine inverse of sine pi minus pi by 3 we can write down, because in the second quadrant it will be positive. So sine inverse we can write down the sine pi 2 pi by 3 can be written down pi minus pi by 3, and it will be given to you sine pi by 3. Further sine will go out, and this is pi by 3. Since pi by 3 belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, so you can work like that, and answer will be pi. What exactly again and again I am repeating, you should stick in the, I am putting the fourth example for this one. This is tan inverse, evaluate tan inverse of, this is tan 3 pi by 4. Is this the answer 3 pi by 4? No, 3 pi by 4 will not the answer, since 3 pi by 4 does not belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, as the range of the tan inverse is open interval minus pi by 2. What we'll do? This is tan inverse of, we can write down tan of pi minus pi by 4. That will be exactly 3 pi by 4. This implies this is equal to tan inverse of 10 minus 10 pi by 4, because second quadrant 10 will negative. But since 10 is an odd function, negative will take inside the angle, and now it will be cancellation, and this is minus pi by 4. Since minus pi by 4 belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. What exactly, students, I want to explain you people, you should stick in the house. You should not go beyond the house. And in support of these examples, I am putting few questions for you. Every day do you some questions related to the different type. Today I am passing you the type number 1. Tomorrow I will pass you the type number 2. And then within 4 days, all the 4 types will cover up, and the things will be over. Apart from that, I have already passed out to you the different types of the questions with the competitive level as well as the CBSE level. That is also very much important for you. And if you are having any doubt related to the University Go, you should respond it, sir, this is my problem. You can call me on the phone, and this is my problem, and can solve it. Don't divert yourself here and there. Stick on the business. Stick on the University Go, because one thing you are doing, you should stick on that. After finishing that, you just go with the other things. So this is my message. Thank you for today, and God bless you.